act as if you got a movie crew, a documentary crew following you around every second of the day. How are you gonna act?
One of the things I would like to see is just economics. Realistically, just a little bit of a push to get you over 100. What I care about is doing it in a way that's profitable, because if you aren't heavily profitable sub 100, then the economics don't work to get to 500.
Yeah.
The things that you think are normal to your business may not be normal, and they may be things that are actually holding you back, and so I want to know everything.
Are you happy with the calls?
Yeah, 2 new clients too. I think they're both gonna be awesome. I hate taking calls when I'm traveling, bro. It's just never sharp, especially when I'm first day in. And you saw it this morning. I am jet lagged. Yeah. I wake up at home at like 6 a.m. now, which got me up out of bed today after 12 o'clock. So I feel like I wasted the entire first day.
Yeah, you're going golfing.
Golfing, cigars. We need to go get cigars. Then later today, dinner with Mr. Rob Lipsett, Mike Thurston, and one of Mike's friends, Louis. But yeah, so it'll be a fun dinner. James, of course, is coming. I like bringing James anywhere, and then we'll try to get this on video, that dinner. I wish I could show them. Yeah, at some point you have to video it. Like, go to the mirror really quick and show them the rig.
The rig is massive.
Like, guys,
Yeah, you pull.
the rig is, it's a beast.
You pull a lot of attention with that thing. Let me call James.
I don't want nobody listening.
James, can you do me a favor? That little black thing behind you, I don't know what it is, but can you put it down somehow? Bro, it was an absolute pleasure getting you.
I took my drugs and took my love, and when I left out the spot, I left the party with the party marking X on the dot. She calls my phone up, but I told her.
Doubles, the globs, on the tees.
You can get away without the tees. You can find the broken ones, and I don't think they need their attack wedge. I think we can take that from them.
How sick are these Ryder Cup tops, man? These are sick.
Bigger size.
Bigger size?
Yeah.
Wait, who is in the team?
Killian and I versus James and Kian. I think we're going to do pretty well.
To be honest, we're complete underdogs. Paul and Killian have paid more than us. I can't even describe it. They played a lot more golf, so we're underdogs. So bet on us. We're going to win.
I got so much dirt on that.
Round 1 update. The underdogs, they have to drop the ball. Technically, we're up 2 right now. Unless Killian pulls a wonderful shot right now. The underdogs are ahead, hole number 1. Let's do it.
You naughty boys.
Oh
my
bro.
God.
We're going to leave this whole. Okay, so we're going for double bogey right now, or triple?
Double. Wait, so that was our
So
third,
3,
fourth,
4.
fifth, sixth, seventh, triple.
It's 1-1 right now, and we're actually up beside the pin over there as well. We're in the green. They're pretty far back, but it's not over till the hole is over. So this is like Good Golf. I always wanted to be on Good Golf. You ever watch Good, bro? Insane.
Alright, day. We're gonna leave this hole. Mateo, can you pen over here really quick? This is what I hate, dude. When you go out with people and all they do is go on their phone and pretend to work. Every single one of them.
Someone has to make money around here. Someone has to pay for
Notice
these
that,
trips.
Mateo, the person who makes the most money is the person who hasn't lifted their phone once.
Please, Captain.
My game info. We're after absolutely annihilating these 2 young gentlemen. Like, they started off strong and we just were the better golfers.
Mr. Paul, where are we?
I have no idea.
So we're doing some YouTube right now, and I'm super happy about that, okay? Because my prized possession in my whole life is the bank of videos that I have. So I can go back and look at myself at the start of my journey. Emo can do this as well. You can provide receipts, and you can see yourself at that age where you are in 1080p HD. And that is undeniable proof about doing what you've set out to do. That's my most valuable asset, is the 800 YouTube videos that I've ever uploaded. The hardest thing I've ever done is a YouTube channel. I swear to God, it is so fucking hard. Best quote ever, okay? It's the Joe Rogan quote. He goes, act as if you got a movie crew, a documentary crew following you around every second of the day. How are you gonna act? How are you gonna act? And that's YouTube.
If you meet Rob in person, Rob, the first thing I said to Rob was that he has energy unlike, he doesn't know how to ash cigars, but he does have, he has an energy unlike anyone you'll ever meet.
Yeah, I'm like a smoking Marbella red at most.
He's instantaneously someone that you're like, this guy's different.
I'm looking forward to seeing this on YouTube. I swear to God, subscribe to this man right now, because it's gonna be fucking big.